Today, I want to share with you my impressions of an incredible hotel that was a real discovery for me. It's the Viva Miches by Wyndham, an all-inclusive resort located on the picturesque Playa Esmeralda beach in the Dominican Republic. Why did I choose this particular hotel? Well, first of all, I have long dreamed of a place where you can combine relaxation on the beach with an active vacation. And secondly, the reviews about this hotel sounded so tempting that I just couldn't resist. And you know what? It exceeded all my expectations. By the way, the hotel opened quite recently, in December 2024, and I felt like one of the first to appreciate its luxury and uniqueness. When I was planning my trip, I was looking for a place where I could completely disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life without getting bored. Viva Miches was a perfect fit for this request. First of all, its location is fabulous. The hotel is located in the secluded coastal town of Miches, away from the bustling tourist centers, yet only a 90-minute drive from Punta Cana International Airport. The drive to the hotel by paid shuttle was easy, and I was already enjoying the views of Dominican nature along the way. The hotel is located right on Playa Esmeralda Beach, which is famous for its pristine white sand and turquoise waters. This place is ideal for those seeking privacy and harmony with nature. Also nearby are such natural attractions as Montana Redonda and Playa El Limon, which I made sure to visit during my stay. When I arrived, I was immediately struck by the cozy and luxurious atmosphere. The modern design of the hotel harmonizes with the natural beauty of the place. The white sand of the beach and turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, this is what immediately catches the eye. But the best part is the service. The staff greeted with smiles, and within minutes, I felt at home. The hotel had just opened, and you could feel it in everything. The rooms were in perfect condition, all the equipment was new, and the atmosphere was fresh and modern. I particularly like the fact that the hotel combines elements of luxury and eco-friendliness, which makes it even more appealing. My room was just perfect. I chose an ocean view suite, and I started each day with a cup of coffee on the balcony, enjoying the view of the vast waters. The room had everything I needed for a comfortable stay. A large flat-screen TV, a mini fridge with drinks, a comfortable bed, and even ironing facilities. And the bathroom with bath accessories and a hairdryer added a sense of luxury. By the way, the hotel offers different room categories, including the unique splash rooms on the first floor, which feature private plunge pools. This is a great option for those looking for an elevated level of comfort and privacy. Now for the most delicious part, the food. Viva Miches has 5 restaurants, and each one is a different culinary journey. I tried Latin American, Asian, Mediterranean, and, of course, Dominican cuisine. I especially remembered the Latin fusion restaurant, which served incredible seafood. And breakfasts in the buffet restaurant are a separate pleasure. Fresh fruit, pastries, omelets to order, anything your heart desires. And yes, it's all included in the price. Each restaurant strives to provide a diverse and delicious experience, complementing the all-inclusive package with global and local flavor. I especially appreciated that even at the a la carte restaurants, there was no need to pay extra. Everything is already included in the price of the stay. Playa Esmeralda Beach is simply heaven on earth. Soft white sand, crystal clear water, and no crowds. I could lie under the palm trees for hours listening to the sound of the waves. And if I wanted more activity, the hotel's outdoor pool with a bar at the water's edge was perfect. I spent evenings there enjoying cocktails and sunsets. The hotel pool is a separate story. It's huge, with a lounge area and a bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water. This is the perfect place for those who like to combine relaxation with entertainment. But Viva Miches is not just about relaxation. There is a lot to do here. I tried ziplining at Skate Park, which is not far from the hotel. It was incredible. I also went on an excursion to Los Haitises National Park, where I saw amazing caves and mangrove forests. In the hotel itself, there was no boredom. Every day there were dance classes, evening shows, and themed parties. And for those who love sports, there is a gym and water sports. The hotel also offers the Viva Vibe events program, which includes live performances, workshops, and parties. This creates an atmosphere of fun and energy that recharges you for the day. For families with children, if you're traveling with kids, this hotel is the perfect choice. There is a kids club for kids from 4 to 12 years old where they can do crafts, play, and participate in fun activities. And while the kids are having fun, parents can enjoy spa treatments or just relax by the pool. I also really like that the hotel cares about the environment. Viva Miches participates in the Wyndham Green program, which focuses on reducing waste and using solar energy. This makes for a vacation that is not only enjoyable, but also responsible. The hotel also supports local communities, which adds even more points to it.